our preacher today, Her Excellency Dr. Rigathi Gachagua, because even as I welcome Your Excellency, it is now clear why you are called the truthful man. Because every day in the morning, if you are required, as you have a cup of tea, to listen to the truthfulness of Her Excellency, and in the evening, before you go to sleep, that has been the story of your life, you have no choice but to be a truthful man. So, Your Excellency, our Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, your spouse, Her Excellency, our bishop, and the entire clergy of this church, our House leadership in the National Assembly, majority leader here, our women rep, senator, plus all members of parliament, all visitors this morning who are holding distinguished positions from Senate and also in the National Assembly, plus other offices of government. Our members of the County Assembly, we are led today by our Deputy Speaker. We also have the rest of the House leadership. All Christians here this morning, God is good, and all the time, tusalimiane kwa salamu zake Mwenyezi Mungu. Nasema shukran sana. Najua bishop wetu alikuwa ameniuliza hata mimi mapema ya kwamba tusizungumze sana, kwa vile siku ya leo tuko na kazi ile ilituleta. Vile tulivyoambiwa na mke wake naibu wetu wa rais ambaye ametuhubiria leo, kazi ya kwanza leo ilikuwa ni church service ambaye tunaheshimu. Ya pili tumekuja kutoa, and she has told us eloquently how we are expected to give, and that's why we are here. So nitasema tu mawili. Kwanza, bishop wetu, ni kushukuru sana, na pia ni kupongeze kwa vile mara nyingi, as you have counted all the other bishops who have been before you and who laid this foundation, it is not obvious, it's not a matter of course, that when a good foundation has been laid, and even if somebody who is capable comes after that, it is not a granted or given that must continue unless you have the right people in the job. And that's why I want to congratulate you, our bishop, because one of the things that I have observed firmly in you is that you are a firm leader. You make decisions and you stand with those decisions. I've seen you in this church, which I'm a member, from childbirth, making very tough calls. The decision to start this building, together with our provost here, this project, with the team that you have put together, is not a small decision. It was a big one. Mtu akisikia zile pesa kanisa inasema that we intend to raise, those decisions can only be made by a courageous man. And then secondly, as far as you're concerned, our bishop, you came up with a very, very inspiring mantra for this church. Katuambia ya kwamba msingi uko imara na tulenge juu. That mantra should be copied. It should be actually a national mantra. Because sasa kwa serikali yetu tumepata uongozi wa rais wetu Dr. William Samoei Ruto, na tuko na naibu wetu hapa. As a country, we can also now start saying msingi wetu uko imara na sisi tulenge juu. Lastly, Your Excellency, our Deputy President, as the Governor of Kiambu, as I congratulate our Bishop, in the work they have done together with his team and ourselves to change this county and change many things in this county, Your Excellency. I want to state here as a matter of fact. Number one, the fight against illicit brews in this county, we have taken it as seriously as you had asked us to do. And that is why you find, that our bishop acknowledges that together as a team, we have put our young men together that we are rehabilitating not only in the church for mission, but also to start their businesses. Tumeanza car wash kadhaa kwa hao vijana. Indeed, last week but one, I organized and gave licenses to rehabilitated young men to be garbage collectors and put them together to get some trucks and become worthwhile business people.